The only reason you are broke today, the only reason anyone is ever broke today is because of these three reasons here. The first one is because you are lazy. 99% of people in this world are lazy. The second one is because you're arrogant. The third one is because you're stupid, and very few people are. Life is work, existence is work, all work. If I'm awake, I'm working. Everything I do is conscious. Only work, outcompete everybody. If you're not a lazy individual, you dedicate your entire being to work. Everything in your existence is work. Don't think, don't be smart, don't try to change the work. Just sit and work. Every waking second, be working. See you at the top. Find work to do. Justify your ego or arrogance. If you're proud of your body, you're going to have a fit body. You feel me? Escape slavery. 5 hours a day, 6 days a week, 10 years. You won't be motivated. Young kings out there. You, yes you. How good are you on your worst day? Are you good enough on your worst day to beat your opponent on their best day? This is the key to unlimited success. You're going to have to work when you don't feel like working. That's how it's going to be. Or you're going to be nothing. The greatest skill you can acquire in life is to learn how to work without motivation. One of the only things in this world you can control is your state of mind. And if you can't control yourself, society will. Are you tired of boring Forex trading strategies that leave you feeling uninspired? Look no further. In this video, we are going to show you a strategy that is not only effective but also downright hilarious. It is time to laugh your way to profits and to the bank with the average directional movement index, that's the ADX, the MACD, and the stochastic for maximum profits. Imagine making consistent profits in the forex market by using a simple ADX MACD strategy. It sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. So let's dive right into the settings of the ADX, MACD, and the stochastic. Let me start with the ADX. So for the ADX, we have the period 14. Style, you can see D1 is green and negative D1 is whatever it is. Levels 25. We are done with the ADX. Then the MACD. The MACD, we have 12, 26, 9. Then you apply close. So let me tell you guys one simple thing. I was at a Forex Trading conference in Uganda here, Kampala, and I overheard someone saying, "Man, I'm really good at MACD, at trading the MACD, and I can even do it in my sleep." And I thought to myself, "Damn, wow, that's impressive, man. I can even barely do it when I'm awake." That really hurt my feelings, man. So we're done with the MACD. The third one is the stochastic indicator. So the stochastic, we have 955, low, high, simple. Then the levels, you have 50, you have 80, 50, and 20. So you make sure you have all those indicators aligned up the way they are. This is going to be like magic. This is too good to be true. You'll be laughing your way to the bank with profits. Your dreams are finally coming true. Make sure you implement each and everything I'm going to be sharing with you guys concerning this strategy here. So I'm going to take you guys through a step-by-step process, the same exact process that I went through while learning this strategy here when I was a newbie to it. But let me first explain what the ADX does. So the ADX is this green line here is the D1. Whenever the D1 crosses this other line, what should I call it? What's the color? Maroon. Okay. Whenever it crosses this maroon line here, we buy, as you can see. And whenever the maroon crosses the green, we sell, as you've seen, right? And this other one, this navy blue line shows the strength in momentum. Then the MACD. Whenever the MACD line crosses the histogram from zero, the zero level, it shows that we are going to the upside, and whenever the histogram becomes bigger and bigger, it shows momentum in the market. So make sure you remember that. Make sure you remember that for later on in this video. It's very important. Then the stochastic, of course, when the stochastic is above the 80 level, it is overbought. And whenever the blue or the green crosses the red, we sell, as you've seen right here. And the same for when the stochastic is below the 20 level. It's below 20, it's oversold. And whenever we have that crossover, we buy, as you have seen right here. So this is simple that most people make it. This is better than using the RSI or the MACD alone. The combination of all this will make you a profitable trader. I remember my first experience with the ADX, MACD, and stochastic just a few weeks ago. When I was a complete newbie, I've been struggling to make any profits. But after learning and implementing this strategy the right way, I was able to turn a $68 into $500 in just 3 days. And it works like magic. You just have to let the indicators do their work. And you just have to press sell and buy. So this is what you do. You have to use them all in alignment, right? So, you see this price is up here. You feel me? You don't even have to do your support and resistance. Nothing. This is for total beginners. Even if you're an expert, you can still use this. So this is what you want to do. You see right there, the stochastic, it is overbought, right? It is above the 80 level. It's above the 8 level. So that tells us that we are soon going to what? To start selling this thing. But not yet, right? When you see this over here, the stochastic, right here, bring your eyes here. Then you look at price, you are still bullish. So what happens? The blue line start crossing over the red line. Remember, it's overbought. And whenever the crossover happens, we need to start selling. And the crossover happened right here. Look at where the crossover is. When the crossover happened, that's when this candle here, this 1 hour candle, had already closed. Yeah, so you can already enter the market from there, but you have to make sure you're on the right side of the market. So as you can see also on the MACD, remember the MACD, this red line here is a trend following line or moving average, but the histogram is a momentum indicator. So here the histogram showed that there's too much momentum into the market, as you can see, to right to the upside, but it rallied, and look at what momentum is reducing, right? So you read this momentum reducing, that means we're having a reversal. And also this stands, but this stands a little bit later. But look at here, it comes, look at this price here. So it turns and the momentum continues to the downside. So we are done with the MACD. Then the ADX. ADX, I remember I told you guys, see right here. See right there. This screen here crossed downwards right at the tip. So that's a confirmed sell. You sell, put your stop loss above. Look at all this take profit. This is like a 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 take profit. That's the first example. Another one. So price which is down this side. First time, then the second time. So you have a double bottom here. Look at the stochastic. Oversold. So we buy. Right? You're only telling us start buying right now. Start buy. As we are still here, look at this. Green crosses the maroon. Bang! Crosses the maroon. But the momentum is not yet there. The histogram shows that the momentum is not yet there. We're still below zero. Momentum is still not yet there. So you could have still entered right here, but there's no momentum. That means you're going to wait for a long time. As you can see, momentum is not there as here is flat. That's the use of the MACD. Here is flat, but the momentum kicks in here. You can see when the histogram crosses right there, bang, after the close of this candle here. See the MACD right there. And look at this here. Even giving us a buy signal. Buy, 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 and buy. Look at the navy blue line. The navy blue line starts rising up, 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 up strongly, and the green crosses the maroon right here. When we're still in the consolidation, it closes, then it also crosses the navy blue. You feel me? You feel me? This is a perfect mixture of the ADX, the MACD, and the stochastic. Look at this. Look at here. Bring your eyes here. You have the first cross, then the second cross. Buy. We have here the histogram crosses the upside above zero level. Momentum is kicking in, right? And we are still on this candle here, this candle here, there was on a candle. Then when the moment it crosses, bang, you've already entered. Stop loss below, bang, go for your take profit. Simple as that. Simple as that. Remember, this is like a simple uptrend. So if you want to counter trend, which I do not advise counter trending, you could still do that, right? Look here, histogram, which is up here, then momentum starts to decrease. So you know there's going to be a reversal, right? A reversal. Bang, this crosses over. You could still sell up to down this side, but I don't advise people to start counter trending. And look, you could have still also entered. Look at where the crossover happened. Right after the close of this candle here. Here. And look at that. So you saw that. But if you're following the trend, this could have been beautiful for you. Look at this. Right here, right? So you can even draw your support and resistances, right? Support and resistances. So we have this resistance here. Or we have this order block. Bearish order block here. So we came back and retested it, right? When we retested it, we are not done yet. This is where it gets interesting. Because I'm showing you guys what really happened there. So this is what happened. Stochastic. Bang, we cross over. Right? Look at where the crossover is. Come here, the stochastic. Look at the stochastic. Bang, we cross over, right? We cross over. That's showing us start buying right now. Start buying. Hammer those buys. Hammer buys. Start hammering buys, right? But then you also see here, remember momentum had decreased. Decreased. Which is here, and then it starts increasing, right? Look at this. Momentum starts increasing. That really shows that the momentum in the market, since the stochastic has already confirmed that start buying, right? It's oversold here, so we start buying. Then also, right on this moment here, you see this green line here start to increase. It doesn't cross over yet. It crosses over here after the close of this candle, after the close of this 1 hour candle. That's when it crosses over to start this next candle, next momentum candle here. And remember, this green candle is still above. That means the trend is still bullish. When this navy blue line crosses below the 25, that means we are what? We are ranging. But it's still above. That gives us confirmation that we are still bullish. So you enter your trades right here. Just hammer buys. Hammer buys till the stochastic reaches on top. When it reaches on here, when it reaches on top here, it's oversold. You take out your profits. But you've taken profits from here at 29.31 to 30.81. That's 150 pips. 150 pips. Yeah. Then I'm also going to enter this trades here. Look at this. Hang. So price formed an order block here. This order block, we tested it, we filled it in. We filled in an order block, right? After filling it in, look at what happened here. Price has just crossed over. We have just crossed over. You see, crossed over. So after we refill this order block here, then this price move here, momentum was reducing, but look now, momentum is about to start shifting. And this is going to cross over to the upside. This is still above, showing us that this is still an uptrend. So I can still enter. I don't have to wait for this to start crossing over. Because look at this. You have a crossover here showing us start buying. This is going to start increasing at a faster rate. So there's nothing else stopping me from entering these trades here. And the current 4-hour candle is bullish, right? Let me check on 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, this is going. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Let me look at this. Not yet. Not yet. Let me check the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, still. You want to take them from the 1 hour time frame. But let me take one as for now. You feel me? I've already taken that. I'm going to put my stop loss below here. Stop loss here at 76. Take profit above there. I'll be doing that shortly, but make sure. So you've just seen how powerful the ADX, the MACD, and a stochastic put together can be when it comes to forex trading. And by understanding this concept, you can predict market movements and make profitable trades with ease. You feel me? We have gone through all of them. We have seen what they can do. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out my exclusive Telegram channel. Make sure you follow me on IG, Makakuban. You can check in the description. And yeah, thank you for your ears. And I hope to see you in my next video or when I explain how this trade went. So inshallah.